Hey everyone, who else here finds themselves reaching for a snack, only to feel guilty about it later? Well, what if I told you that snacking isn't just a midday indulgence, but could actually help you live longer and healthier? In today's video, we're diving into the world of healthy snacking, and how making smart decisions can boost your longevity. Stay tuned as we uncover some easy DIY snack ideas and convenient store-bought options that are both delicious and beneficial for your health. Heading to the kitchen DIY healthy snacks. First up, let's mix it up with a simple and nutritious nuts and seeds mix. Grab some almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds. Don't forget a handful of unsweetened dried cranberries for a touch of sweetness. As you mix these together, consider the benefits. From heart-healthy fats in almonds to the magnesium in pumpkin seeds, which is great for your bones and immunity. Moving on, how about a creamy and satisfying snack? Take some plain Greek yogurt, top with fresh blueberries, raspberries, and a drizzle of honey if you like it sweet. This snack packs a punch with probiotics for gut health, and antioxidants from the berries to combat inflammation. Next, let's cut up some carrot sticks, cucumber slices, and bell pepper strips for our veggie sticks with hummus. Simple to prepare, rich in fiber, and when you dip in hummus, you add protein and healthy fats into the mix. Ever tried making avocado toast at home? Just spread mashed avocado on whole grain bread, a pinch of salt and pepper, and a squeeze of lemon for an extra zing. Avocados are superfoods, filled with heart-healthy fats and fibers. Lastly, in our DIY section, we have the magical Chia Pudding. Mix chia seeds with almond milk, add a little vanilla extract, and top with your favorite fruits. Chia seeds are incredible for blood sugar regulation and digestive health. Discovering the aisle's store-bought healthy snacks. Now let's talk about some quick store-bought snacks for those busy days. First up, grab a pack of mixed nuts like wonderful pistachios or blue diamond almonds. These are ideal for snacking on the go, giving you a great mix of proteins, fats, and fibers. For yogurt lovers, there's nothing quicker than a Greek yogurt cup from brands like Chobani or Fudge. Pick the plain varieties to avoid extra sugars, enjoying a boost of calcium and protein. In the mood for something crunchy and ready straight from the pack? Try hummus and veggie packs, such as those from Sabra Snackers. Perfect combination of convenience and nutrition. Don't overlook the whole grain crackers from Wassa or Mary's Gone crackers. These crackers are a powerhouse of fibers and pair amazingly with hummus or avocado. And if you need something sweet, opt for a fruit and nut bar from Kind Bars or RX Bar. You get proteins, fibers, and natural sweetness all in one bar. Now, why should we care about snacking healthily? Let's break down the benefits of Nutrient Boost. Healthy snacks provide essential vitamins and minerals, filling those nutritional gaps in our diet. Weight management. With more fibers and proteins, these snacks keep you full longer, helping manage your weight effectively. Energy levels. The right mix of nutrients ensures sustained energy, no more midday slumps. Disease prevention. Snacking healthy means taking in more antioxidants and anti-inflammatory nutrients, shielding our bodies from chronic diseases. And let's not forget digestive health. High fiber content in these snacks aids in maintaining a healthy digestive system. So, the next time you reach for a snack, remember, it's not just about curbing your hunger, it's an opportunity to nourish and enhance your health and longevity. Which of these snacks are you excited to try? Or do you have a go-to healthy snack that you swear by? Drop your thoughts and questions in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to more health-friendly content. And hey, happy snacking! See you in the next video where we'll explore more ways to enrich our lives with everyday choices. Finally, be careful and continue snacking smartly.